Hi everybody! Last week I gave you some specifications and a sound sample on a Feadog pink D whistle. This week I'm going to be showing you guys the Feadog Brass Whistle, also in D. As you can see, it comes nicely boxed. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a raw sound sample, a mastered sound sample, and then all the specifications you need to know about this whistle. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, this is the Feadog Brass Whistle in D. It comes nicely boxed, and also included in the box is a little instruction sheet which tells you how to play tin whistle, how to get you started, and a few little tunes that you can play along with as well. So this is why these whistles make such a great gift for people. The whistle itself is a small D whistle. It's made of brass. It's got a straight bore for nice loud sound, and it's got a plastic molded mouthpiece. As you can see, this one's in green, and it also comes with a nice little Feadog sticker on the front. Some whistles can be a little bit feeble on the lower notes, sometimes on the C sharp or the C natural as well. This whistle has a nice range of volume throughout all the notes you play, so that is pretty impressive. The metal itself is sort of a mid-weight. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. So you get a nice crisp, sharp sound, which is great for playing along with other whistles or other instruments in session. The whistle itself doesn't actually require too much of a push and too much air to get into the second octave. So, as I said, great for beginners. It's an easy one to play. It's nicely finished on the front here, so it's great for ornaments and slides. They're easy to take with you. It's the sort of thing you can throw in your backpack and take it with you wherever you go. Pull it out. You know it is always going to play in tune, play in key, and produce impressive results. Now, Feadog have been kind enough to provide me with a coupon code for you guys to use. So if you do head over to their website, www.feadog.ie, you can use my discount code, QTPie5, to get 5% off anything on their website. That includes the whistles I've shown you so far and anything else on their website too. So definitely worth checking out. As always, thanks for watching, happy whistling, and I'll see you guys next week.